Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Doing another outfit of the day. Today is pretty sunny. I think it's going to be in the 60s again, which is unusual for February, but this is the type of weather that we're getting and I am not complaining. So I have on a light button down from JCREW. It is done in a combination of white and different types of pinks, which is really pretty. Fits really well. It is a size 14. I am 5'9", large frame. But I like this outfit. I think this is really cute. My jeans are from Gap. I love these jeans. I just picked these up, actually both items up within the last month. These are the ankle length. I like those, especially when I wear sneakers. And the jacket that I would be wearing is from Banana Republic. I picked this up about, within the last 3 months. It's a SHACKET, and it's a really nice SHACKET. It has good weight to it. I believe it is still available. I think I got this on sale. I would have to look it up and see exactly how much I paid for it. I'll put it in the description section. But it is a neutral, a really nice, and I'll come close so that you can see the material. It's a really nice neutral, nice buttons, 2 pockets at the top, and then you do have 2 side pockets, which is really nice. And then on the side, you have splits on each side. It comes down nice and long so that if you want to wear leggings with this, you can, both in the front and in the back. And then just to show you the jeans, let me just take the jacket off real quick. Like I said, these are the Gap jeans. They are high-waisted. So this is what they look like from the back, the side. Do have some distressing at just above the knee, which is nice, and I think along the pockets. And all pockets are functioning. So like I said, I love these jeans. I believe they're like 60% cotton. I want to say there's also some polyester content in it, and then of course elastane. So I believe these are a 33, which is the equivalent of a 16, I believe. But I'll put the correct, or the size that I'm wearing, in the description. And the bag of the day will be my Coach Rogue 17. It picks up the colors of the shirt. I would just wear it as a crossbody. And then my sneakers are my white leather Sperry's. Love Sperry's. I have these in leather. I have them in canvas. Absolutely love Sperry's. So this is my outfit for the day. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.